guys, it's Markai here and welcome back to my channel. Before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload next, which is every Monday and Friday. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out some video hacks to help make your videos viral by faking a lot of things pretty much. I did a trying out photo hacks to see if they work. Now I'm going to be trying out some video hacks. So be faking it till I make it, and yeah, just I guess seeing if they help videos, if they make it look, the fake things look real, I guess. So let's just get into these, me trying out these video hacks. Okay, so for this first hack, you have to make it look like that your head isn't screwed on straight and you're just wearing a device made of hangers as you pretend to sneeze. So I've got two hangers here and I'll just tape them together. We've got that done. Just pull this around our neck, I think. Alright, that's as much as it'll go. And then we use the jacket to cover it. Alright, let's try it. Head. Oh, ow. Yeah, so I think this one really works. Like, you need to have like some pretty good tape and pretty good quality device of hangers. I actually don't think I have the right hangers for this, but yeah, so this one didn't work. Alright, so for this one you have to make it look like you're floating. So I don't have anyone else to do this with me, so it's going to be very interesting how I try this myself, but you know, basically you show yourself lifting up and floating, and then push up onto your tippy toes, and then just stand up on something. I don't have a table or a chair, so this little thing here is the closest to what I've got. So let's try it. Wow, that's nice. Whoa. I'm floating! Okay, so for this next hack, you have to try and make a flower look like it's growing out of your hand. So what you have to do is just put dirt and a flower into your hand and then push it back and then reverse it. So I'm going to go get something and a pile of dirt. So I got dirt and a thing. So now let's just put it into the palm of our hand. And then we'll put our other hand underneath, I guess. And then here we go. This is the view we'll get. And now. Alright, now let's reverse it. Alright, so for this next hack, you have to try and make it look like you got the perfect stretch, but really it's just camera angles, and you actually haven't got the perfect stretch, and you're just on your knees with your feet making it to look without showing, you know, the legs. So let's try that right now. Alright, so we've got Crocs. Now, let's just get onto our knees. Okay, and then put the Crocs up, and yeah, stretch. Oh man, this stretching is so intense. Yeah, stretch. I think I did it. I think I got the perfect stretch. I'm exhausted after all that working out. Okay, so for this next hack, you have to make it look like it's just a floating ball in mid-air between your hands, but it's really just a ladle. So, got a ladle, and then stick it up in our sleeves, this side. Okay, and whoa, see that floating ball? Wow. Oh my god, this is so amazing. There's a floating ball. I'm not even holding it. This is crazy. There's a ball. It's just floating in midair. Wow. It's just a ladle. Okay, so you got a nice make-out scene there, but it's really just one person with her jacket on one arm and just, you know, a regular arm on the other, and just eating a piece of fruit. So let's do it right now. We'll take one arm out, and anyways, let's eat. Okay, so for this next hack, there are two of you. Well, not really, but you just want to make it look like that your reflection is not the way you actually are by using the panoramic mode on your phone. So I'm going to do that in the two mirrors I have in the bathroom. I can't quite do it like how they did it, as I only have myself, but I have two mirrors here. So one mirror is going to have one expression, and the other mirror is going to have the other expression. So I'm going to do that on my phone, panoramic mode, and let's see how it turns out. Okay, so we've got relationship goals here, and you know, just watching a movie and some popcorn together. But the two hands there, they both belong to the same person. So I'm going to recreate that. I am going to take my arm out of one side of the jacket and keep the other arm in, and I don't have popcorn or chips, so I'm just using almonds. Anyways, let's get to it. Okay, so for this hack you have to try and make your own black light on your phone by putting tape over the camera lens and then colouring it in blue. So let's do that. Got my phone here, and you can just grab a bit of tape, about this much. Do a bit more than what I need. But yeah, I'm just stick that to the camera lens over here. And then let's colour it in blue. Okay, and now let's turn off the lights and see how clean our things really are. Alright. Ooh. Well, I can't see much green build up, so that means it's really clean, or this didn't work. So that is it for me trying out video hacks, and this was interesting. But yeah, some of these worked, some of them didn't. That's what the majority of these hacks are like, you know. They're pretty pointless, to be honest, but whatever. I just do it because why not, I suppose. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to comment down below what other types of videos you want me to do on this channel. So, till next time, in my next video, I shall see you then. Goodbye.